welcome back. Dad and I last few days been looking for a dash cam because we always go for road trips, and but we don't have any dash cam because things can happen anytime. So we've been looking for on the internet for on the usual websites like Amazon, eBay, and others. So we found something we think could be a good product. So right now in my hands I just got the the parcel, and we will do like an unboxing of this dashcam product. Hopefully this is good product, and yeah, we'll see together. This is the box I received, so I am going to open this box for the very first time ever. So let's do it. All right, so here we got this. Everything is sealed. It looks good. So let's open it. What you will find inside is actually the dash cam. It looks pretty good from the look, with a little like a screen at the back. It's a 4 inches, so you can see have like a mode, up, down, on and off, all the usual things. This is the mounter for the windscreen, so you will screw this on here and then fixed on the windscreen. You will have the charger with the for the car, so that's one side to the car, that's the other side goes to the dash cam. And also guys, you can have also a rear camera, so obviously you need to plug this to the camera, and then all this cable must be running inside your car to be plugged to the camera from the back. Obviously this requires like a professional person to be installed, but I'm not going to use the rear camera because I'm not interested in that. I will be interested only on this part. And also you will find a product manual. Of course it's English, and I think is the language could be probably Chinese, and so I'm gonna plug this camera on my car and see how the dash camera will look like. Should be HD, so it should be pretty good quality video, but I don't know. See, everything's sealed. It looks fine. We will see in a few minutes. Thank you. I plugged the camera inside my car, so now I'm going to turn on the engine, and the camera should be on. So let's see if it works. Oh, there you go. It's starting now. So please format. Okay, because I just put my SD card, I need to go through the settings, and as you see here, there are mode and up, down, on and off. So I'm going through the settings, reset the SD card, and then I will go to around my place and to see what's the quality of this camera. And yeah, hopefully it's this good camera. It looks good from the look, but yeah, we'll see the video as well. As you see from the video, I think this dash cam is not that bad. It has a watermark, so obviously if you have something to report, you will have a date, you have the time. The only thing is the date is like American version, so it will be like a month, year, month and days. It's not the Aussie version. Also I found that the touch screen is it's a responsive, but the problem is it's not maybe calibrated properly, because to press on the icons, I need to maybe go a little bit upper than the square. But overall, I think it's a good product for the price. So I really recommend this DashCam if you want to find like a not expensive one. I will put a link in the description. Hopefully you guys, you can find your favorite DashCam. Has also no rear camera, but I'm not using that. I'm not interested about that. Okay, thank you.